A dog owner has been convicted after his XL bully savaged an elderly man in a fatal attack. 84-year-old John McCall was attacked by the dog owned by Sean Garner after he wandered into the driveway of his home in Warrington in February last year. Neighbours tried to intervene using tools and walking sticks, but the dog, weighing 7 stone 4 pounds, attacked relentlessly.
Mr. McCall was an 84-year-old dad, granddad and great-granddad. On the night of the incident, he was simply walking home. Contrary to previous rumours, he wasn't drunk, but he became distracted and entered the driveway of a property that was being rented by Mr. Garner. We may never know precisely why he entered the driveway, but what is clear is that the dog was not securely contained. As a result, Toretto attacked and killed Mr. McCall.
Armed police were called and shot the dog Toretto 10 times to stop the attack. A second XL bully, Malibu, was also put down after being found inside the house. An examination later revealed the dog had no food in its stomach.
This incident could have happened to anyone who might have entered that driveway that day, whether that be a postal worker, a delivery driver, or simply a child collecting a ball. Sadly, it was Mr. McCall who was that person.
Garner, who had previously been convicted of driving offences and possessing drugs with intent to supply, denied leaving the dogs dangerously out of control. He claimed they were secured in a shed on a patio with a padlock and gate latch. Prosecutors argued, however, that his precautions were inadequate.
Sean Garner knew that Toretto was an unregistered XL bully. He was well aware of the dog's destructive and aggressive tendencies. Yet despite this, he chose to leave the dog outside his address in an insecure area.
This case also raises wider concerns about awareness and regulations of high-risk dog breeds, particularly those banned under the 2024 legislation. Garner had admitted possessing XL bullies without the required exemption certificate.
His actions that day resulted in the death of an innocent man. Our thoughts and deepest sympathies are with the family of Mr. McCall. What they witnessed as he suffered the unimaginable injuries was beyond comprehension. The strength and determination Mr. McCall showed in fighting to survive those injuries was both astonishing and deeply inspiring.
Garner was remanded in custody ahead of sentencing on the 17th of April and faces a substantial prison sentence, Judge Brian Cummings KC confirmed in the court.
I would also like to take this opportunity to acknowledge and thank the members of the public, police officers and medical professionals who provided immediate assistance to Mr. McCall. Their swift action and tireless efforts to save him deserve recognition.